Nature's air conditioner is right below your nose and it feels so good on your toes. Your lawn. Studies show that an average lawn of 2,500 square feet, which is about the size of a tennis court, can produce as much cooling as a 2-ton air conditioner, and you don't even have to plug it in. People are being duped into pulling out their lawns for gravelscapes, cacti gardens, or artificial turf, which contributes to excessive energy bills by heat that's generated off of them. Trees seem to get all the credit for naturally cooling the air because they provide shade, but grass is the workhorse in lowering surface temperatures through evapotranspiration, which is a process similar to that used by old-fashioned evaporation coolers or swamp coolers for home air conditioning. On a hot summer day, lawns will typically be 30 degrees cooler than asphalt, 14 degrees cooler than bare soil, and a huge 35 degrees cooler than artificial turf. Wait a minute. Artificial turf can be hotter than asphalt? I guess that's good if you know how to walk on coals, but imagine how that'll burn a child's foot. Or how about the paws of your pet dog or cat? Artificial turf, it's just not right. Grass, on the other hand, creates a comfortable setting for lawn games, entertaining, and simply enjoying. All at the same time, it reduces demand by lowering the ambient temperature around your home. Grass, it's good for you, your family, and the environment.